Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to improve microphone quality in OBS Studio. If your voice sounds noisy, low, echoey, or unclear during recordings and live streams, this guide will help you make your microphone sound much more professional. First, open OBS Studio and look at the audio mixer section. Find your microphone source and click the three dots next to it, then select Filters. This is where you can improve your microphone audio quality. The first filter you should add is noise suppression. Click the plus icon, choose noise suppression, and keep the default settings or select RN noise for better background noise removal. This helps reduce fan noise, keyboard sounds, and other unwanted background sounds. Next, add a noise gate filter. This filter prevents your microphone from picking up small background noises when you are not speaking. Adjust the close threshold and open threshold values until your microphone only activates when you talk. Now add a compressor filter. A compressor makes your voice volume more consistent. Loud sounds become softer and quiet sounds become louder. This helps create a smoother listening experience for your audience.